Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use CapCut on TikTok. So to get started, first of all, let's open CapCut app. Now here you can able to see edit button in the bottom, templates, inbox and me icon. Now click on inbox button. Here you can see sign in with TikTok. So simply tap on sign in with TikTok. Now choose your birth date. And confirm it. Here you go, you have successfully logged in your TikTok account with CapCut. Here in the right bottom corner you can see me icon. Click on it. It will navigate you to the TikTok profile page. Next, add a video on CapCut. Click on top right button and click on TikTok icon. Next, click on save and share to TikTok. It will directly save your video to your TikTok account. Here you go. This is how you can easily upload your videos from CapCut to TikTok account. That wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.